Hello, welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening a pack of Innistrad Midnight Hunt. Let us get right into this. We have a Hedge Witch's Mask, Full Art Mountain, Startle, On Blinking Observer, Component Collector, Organ Hoarder, Flesh Taker, Corpse Cobble, Gale Drifter, Bird Admirer, Candlegrove Witch, On Natural Growth, Bramble Armor, Blank Token, and back to the front. Good back. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you guys again next time. I hope you have a great rest of your day.